Good afternoon, dear students. Today I am taking online class uh, with a view that on Wednesday and Thursday I am not available. I am going on leave for 2 days. So the whole of the week remains undone. So I am taking the class today itself. This is this was as per the plan that I am making next. Yes, we are reading on page number 8, second paragraph. The first paragraph on page number 8 at the top of the page is over. Now I should begin from the second page. Yes. There was only one hitch in the matter. What does the word matter suggest here? Cutting the man's head off. Yes. The murderer was brought to the court. He was tried and tried and tried. There were experts, law experts were there, judges were there, jury was there, lawyers were there, barristers were there. All together they came and inquired the man, the murderer, legally, and finally it was decided that the man's head should be cut off. He had cut one man, so the same should be given to him. This was the law of the land. Yes, let it be. It was decided, and the copy of the order that what was decided in the court was sent to the king's table. He read it and he said to himself, if the man is to be killed, let him be killed. If his head is to be cut off, let it be cut off. He said it to himself, signed it and sent back. Yes, now it should be exercised. Now, the order should have to be exercised. ಅದು ಜಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಏನು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗಿದೆಯೋ ಅದನ್ನು ಈಗ ಜಾರಿಗೊಳಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. It has to be exercised. Yes. But there was only one hitch in this matter. It was not so easy as was said. There was a difficulty. What was the difficulty? And that was that here the first two times the word that is used. And it was that. You may change it like that for your easiness. And it was that. What is the hitch? The word that refers to the hitch. And the hitch was that they had neither a guillotine for cutting heads off nor an executioner. Here two words are totally new for you. One is guillotine, the other is executioner. The word guillotine means nenugamba. Nenugamba, guillotine. Executioner means an expert, a man, an expert in dealing with in operating the guillotine, in operating the machine. ನೋಡಿ, ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮನುಷ್ಯನಿಗೆ ಗಲ್ಲು ಶಿಕ್ಷೆ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆತನನ್ನು ಆ ನೇಣುಗಂಬಕ್ಕೆ ತಂದು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ನೇಣುಗಂಬವನ್ನು ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆ ಶಿಕ್ಷೆಗೆ ಮರಣದಂಡನೆಗೆ ಗುರಿಯಾದಂತಹ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಆ ನೇಣುಗಂಬಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದು ನಿಲ್ತಾನೆ. He would be brought there and the machine should have to be operated and there would be a man appointed by the government. He is called an executioner. He should operate the machine to give the punishment. ಆದರೆ ಇದು ಅಂದುಕೊಂಡಷ್ಟು ಸುಲಭ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಬರೀ ನಾವು ನಡೆದಾಡುವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಇರುವೆ ಬಿದ್ದು ಸತ್ತು ಹೋದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ನೋವಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಅಯ್ಯೋ, ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಇರುವೆಯ ಜೀವಕ್ಕೆ ಜೀವವನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡಲ್ಲ, ಅದರ ಸಾವಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಕಾರಣನಾದೆನಲ್ಲ, ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ನೋವಾಗತ್ತೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಗುಂಗಾಡವನ್ನು ಕೊಲ್ಲುವುದಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ನಮಗೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ನಮ್ಮ ನಿದ್ರೆಗೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಕೊಡುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಗುಂಗಾಡವನ್ನು, ಒಂದು ತಿಗಣೆಯನ್ನು ಸಾಯಿಸೋದು ಕೂಡ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ನೋವು ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಹಿಂಸಾಪ್ರಿಯರು ಅಲ್ಲ, ಭಾರತೀಯರು ಹಿಂಸಾಪ್ರಿಯರು ಅಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಅಷ್ಟು ಸುಲಭವಾದ ಸಂಗತಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಲ್ಲೋದು ಅಂದರೆ. ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಹುಚ್ಚನಾಯಿ ಬಾಗಿಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದನ್ನು ಕಲ್ಲು ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಹೊಡೆಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಾಯಿ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಅಂಜಿಸಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೇವೆ. ನಾವು ರಕ್ತವನ್ನು ನೋಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಇಷ್ಟಪಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಂಥದ್ದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಶಿಕ್ಷೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ, ಒಬ್ಬನಿಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಶಿಕ್ಷೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಗಿಲೆಟಿನ್ ಬೇಕು, ಒಬ್ಬ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಷನರ್ ಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಯು ನೋ, ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೊನಾಕೋ ಆರ್ ಪೀಸೇಬಲ್. You have already read it. They did not like killing. For the first time in the history of Monaco, such an incident has taken place. Never did they see such an incident, never did they see a murder in their country, but for the first time such an incident has happened. And so far they did not need a machine. They did not need to preserve a machine because they are basically peaceable people. So they needed neither a guillotine nor an executioner, but for the first time it has become their need. Yes, it is the heat. They have neither a guillotine nor an expert who can operate the machine. Both are not there, but both are needed. Both are not there. This is the first hit. That they had neither a guillotine for cutting heads off nor an executioner. The ministers considered the matter. Yes, the ministers gathered together and they discussed this and finally decided to address an inquiry to the French government, asking whether the French could not lend them a machine and an expert to cut off the criminal's head. After the meeting, as they sat and as they discussed it, finally they came to a decision that they should write a letter to the government of France. What should be the content of the letter? What are the contents of the letter? What is the subject matter in the letter? To request the government of France, if it was possible to the government of France to lend a machine and an expert for the purpose of cutting the criminal's head. To write a letter and to take there and to get a reply. Now they write a letter. The letter would be sent. The ministers considered the matter and decided. What did they decide? To write an inquiry, means to write a letter. To whom? To the French government. What should be the matter? Asking the government of France, what was? Whether they could not lend them means to the people of Monaco or to the king of Monaco, whether they could not lend them a machine and an expert to cut off the criminal's head. They thought of writing a letter requesting the government of France whether for the time being they could lend a machine and send an expert along with it to operate the machine, because they have no an executioner. Anybody could not do it. No. Anybody, a passerby, cannot do it. It needs an experienced person and he should have courage to do it. People like you or people like me cannot do this. Yes. And if so means if at all it was possible to send a machine and an expert, would the French and if so, would the French kindly inform them what it would cost? ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ತಾಗಿ ಕಳಿಸುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ತಾವು ಒಪ್ಪಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದೇ ಆದರೆ, ಇಫ್ ಎಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಟು ಸೆಂಡ್ ದೆಮ್ ಎ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ವುಡ್ ಬಿ ದ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬೋತ್? ತಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ದುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗಬಹುದು? ಯಾರು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು? ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು? ದ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೊನಾಕೋ ಶುಡ್ ಪೇ ಟು ಹೂಮ್? ಟು ದ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ರಾನ್ಸ್. ಟು ದ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ದ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೊನಾಕೋ ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ದ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾದೀತು? ಮೊದಲದ್ದು, ನೀವು ನಮಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನಾ? ಎರಡನೇದ್ದು, ಇಫ್ ಎಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್, ವಾಟ್ ವುಡ್ ಬಿ ದ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್? ವಾಟ್ ವುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಪೇಯ್ಡ್? ಈ ಕುರಿತು ಒಂದು ಪತ್ರವನ್ನು ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ದೆನ್ ದ ಲೆಟರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಸೆಂಟ್. ಸಿ, ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. This is in a passive form. Question number 26. Please refer to the model question paper given at the end of the textbook. Two model question papers are there. Question number 26 in the question paper, in both of the question papers, and in every question paper all through this academic year. All through this second year academic year, question number 26 would be this. What would it be? You should have to learn to fill the blank, changing the verb into passive form. This is one example. What is that? The letter was sent. Means the government of France wrote, the people, the ministers of Monaco, the king's ministers wrote a letter and sent it. Who is the doer? The ministers. It is silent here. It is known. It is understood. It is not mentioned. The letter was sent by the ministers. By the ministers is not mentioned here. Simply the object is mentioned. What is the object? Letter. And verb is there. In which form is it? Third form. Send, sent, sent. Send, sent, sent. The letter, object, sent, verb, and before this there is a verb. It is a helping verb. It is an assistant verb, was. It is in past form. Am, is, are denote present tense. Was and were denote past tense. The letter was sent. The meeting was held. The decision was taken. The criminal was brought. The murderer was tried. So many sentences can be done. Your result is announced. Marks are sent. Information is sent. Result is sent to your address. Like this, you should learn to change a given sentence. If it is in active voice, you should learn to change it into passive voice. This sentence is in passive form, in passive voice. Then the letter was sent. A week later, the reply came. After 1 week, after 7 days, the government of France, which had written a letter, it came to Monaco. So, a week later, the reply came. The reply was received. The reply was sent. The letter was answered. Which letter was answered? The letter which Monaco wrote. The letter which Monaco wrote. It was answered. It was replied. It was responded. Hmm? A week later, the reply came. See, what is the answer written by the government of France? They have written, a machine and an expert could be supplied. See, passive form once again. And the cost would be 16,000 francs, not rupees, because in France, their currency is called as francs. India calls its currency rupee. Rupee is our currency. So also is in Pakistan. They will also call their currency rupee. Japan, yen. They don't say rupees nor francs. They say yen. And in England, pounds. And in America, dollars. In different countries, their currency is called by different names. Yes. See, what is the answer? France has written, a machine and an expert could be supplied. ಒಂದು ಯಂತ್ರವನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗುವಂತಹ ಒಬ್ಬ ನುರಿತ ತಜ್ಞನನ್ನು ಕಳಿಸಬಹುದಾಗಿದೆ, ಕಳಿಸಲು ನಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇದೆ. It is not impossible for us. If you want, we are ready to send, and both together cost 16,000 francs. This is what the government of France replied. This was laid before the king. See, once again the sentence is in passive form. They laid the letter before the king. They laid the letter before the king, active voice. The letter was laid before the king, passive form. Here the doer is not mentioned, only the object or the sufferer is mentioned. What do you mean by doer and sufferer? I shall give an example. Rama killed Ravana. Here, who is the agent for the action? Rama. And what has he done? Killed. That is the verb. Whom has he killed? Ravana. Ravana is the sufferer, means the action is implied on him. Ravana, doer, killed her. Rama is the doer, killed her. Ravana is sufferer. One more example. He ate a mango. He ate a mango. Who is the doer? He. Why do you call him a doer? Because he ate. The action of, the deed of eating, the action of eating is done by him. So he is the doer. What has he done? He ate. It is what? What has he eaten? A mango. The mango is the sufferer. In this way, you should learn to understand the doer, the sufferer, and the verb in a given sentence. The letter was laid. The doer is not mentioned here. The letter was laid before the king by the ministers, by his officials, by a clerk in the king's office, whoever may it be. Then this was laid before the king. He thought it over. Who thought it over? The king. Yes, because he has to pay 16,000 francs. It is not a silly amount, especially for the king of Monaco. It is a very large amount. The total revenue, that whatever he gets all through the year, is not even 1/4 of this. Yes, 16,000 francs. I don't think that he gets at least 4,000 francs as the total tax from all the sources. But now all of a sudden he has to pay 16,000 francs, which may be equal to the 4 years tax. Yes. This was, sorry, he thought it over. 16,000 francs. See, at the end of the sentence, an exclamatory is given. A mark of exclamation is given. A mark of explanation like this. A mark of explanation is given. Because the king was shocked by the figure. The king was shocked by the figure, giving 16,000 francs to buy a machine and to pay for the expert is a heavy thing for the king. So he felt shocked. The wretch is not worth the money, said he. Who said? And what does he say? The king. It is the king's reply. The wretch is not worth the money. Whom does he call the wretch? The murderer. ಆ ದರಿದ್ರ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಖರ್ಚಿಗೆ ಯೋಗ್ಯನಿಲ್ಲ ಅವನು. ಇಷ್ಟು ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿ ಅವನ ಜೀವ ತಗೊಳ್ದ. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ 4 ಜನ ಕೂಡಿ ಕಲ್ಲು ಎಸೆದ್ರು ಅವನು ಸತ್ತೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು. ಕೋಲು ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಡಿಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೊಡೆದ್ರು ಸತ್ತೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅಂಥ ನಿರುಪಯುಕ್ತ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಅವನಿಗೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷೆ ಕೊಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ 16,000 ಫ್ರಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡೋದೇ. He is not worth this expenditure. He is not worth the cost. ಅಂತ ಅಯೋಗ್ಯನಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ದುಡ್ಡು ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡೋದಾ? Can't it be done somehow cheaper? He is asking his ministers. He is asking his councillors. Can't it be made somehow cheaper? ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಖರ್ಚನ್ನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ವಾ? 16,000 ಫ್ರಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡೋದಂದ್ರೇನು? ನಮ್ಮ ಆದಾಯವಾದರೂ ಎಷ್ಟು? ನಮಗೆ ಬರುವಂಥ ಆದಾಯವಾದರೂ ಎಷ್ಟು? ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಈ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತಂಬಾಕು ತಿನ್ನೋರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ವೈನ್ ಕುಡಿಯೋರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸ್ಪಿರಿಟ್ ಕುಡಿಯೋರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮೊನ್ಯಾಕೋದಲ್ಲಿ. ಒಟ್ಟಾರೆ ಜನಸಂಖ್ಯೆನೇ 7,000 ಇದೆ. ಅಂಥದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು 40%, 50% ಜನ ಕುಡಿತಾರೆ, ತಂಬಾಕು ತಿಂತಾರೆ, ಸೇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಕುಡಿತಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಬಹುದದು? ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ನೆವರ್ ಬಿ ಈವನ್ 4,000 ಫ್ರಾಂಕ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಈವನ್ 1/4 ಆಫ್ ದೇರ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನೀಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮನಿ. ಅಂಥದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಈ 16,000 ಫ್ರಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಹುಶಃ ಅವರು 4 ವರ್ಷ ಕಾಯಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಟು ಅರ್ನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಪ್ರಿಸರ್ವ್ಡ್ ವಿದೌಟ್ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್. ಆದರೆ ಅದು ಹೌ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್? ದ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ದ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಸ್ ದಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಹಿ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ದ ನೀಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಆ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ನ ಅವರು ಒಯ್ದು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನೊಳಗೆ ಇಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕರ ಬೇಡಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನು ಪೂರೈಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಊರಾಗ ಗಟಾರ ಮಾಡೋದು, ರಸ್ತೆ ಮಾಡೋದು, ನೀರು, ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ, ಲೈಬ್ರರಿ, ಶಾಲೆ, ಕಾಲೇಜು, ಅನೇಕ ಕಾರಣಗಳಿಗೆ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಈ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಸಾಲೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಮತ್ತು ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರದಿಂದ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ತರಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ತದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅನುದಾನ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳೋದು. ಸರ್ಕಾರ, ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಪ್ರತಿ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲೂ, ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಆ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರದಿಂದ ಹಣವನ್ನು ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತದೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಅನುದಾನ ಅಂತ. ಈ ಜನರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ನಿಂದ ಯಾವುದೇ ಬೇಡಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನು ಪೂರೈಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮನಿ. 1 ಕೋಟಿ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 10 ಕೋಟಿ ಅನುದಾನ ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಟು ಬಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಕಾಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿ ಡನ್ ಸಮ್ಹೌ ಚೀಪರ್? ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಖರ್ಚಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿತಾಯ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ದ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಟ್ರಬಲ್. He is not prepared to spend this much of a heavy amount just for killing the criminal. Why 16,000 francs? 16,000 francs is more than 2 francs a head on the whole population. Yes, ನೋಡಿ, ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಜನ 7,000 ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿವಸ 16,000 ಫ್ರಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬಂದು 2 ಫ್ರಾಂಕಿನಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೂ ಇಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಟು ಇಟ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟು 14,000. ಯು ನೋ ದ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೊನಾಕೋ. How many are there totally? 7,000. Even if 2 francs extra amount of money is charged per head in the country, the total amount would be 14,000 and it needs further 2,000 francs. So, to fulfill the need, each should have to be taxed something more than 2 francs per head. And the people may not like the king taking extra taxes from them. The people won't stand it. Stand ಅಂದರೆ ಸಹಿಸಿಕೋ ತಾಳು. The king is giving his opinion. ಜನ ಇದನ್ನು ಸಹಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರು ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರು 2 ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ಗಿಂತ ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಏನು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ? ಕೊಲೆ ಮಾಡಿದವನು ಅವನು, ಶಿಕ್ಷೆ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದದ್ದು ಅವನಿಗೆ. ನಾವು ಯಾಕೆ ದಂಡ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು? ನಾವು ಯಾಕೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು? ನೀವು ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಿ, ನಾವು ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಿ, ಇದು ಸಹಜ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿವಸ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಊರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಲೈಬ್ರರಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಊರಿನ ಲೈಬ್ರರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರೋ ಏನೋ ಆಗಿ ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಳಾಗಿವೆ. ಯಾರೋ ಕಳುವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದಾರೋ ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರವಾಹ ಬಂದು ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಳಾಗ್ಯವೋ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಊರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಪಟ್ಟಣ ಪಂಚಾಯಿತಿಯವರೋ ಅಥವಾ ಗ್ರಾಮ ಪಂಚಾಯಿತಿಯವರೋ ಒಂದು ಊರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಡಂಗ್ರ ಹೊರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಊರಾಗ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದೊಂದು ಮನೆಯವರು ಒಂದೊಂದು 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ಲೈಬ್ರರಿಗೆ ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳು ಬೇಕಾಗ್ಯಾವಂತ. ಆವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತಾರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಡಿಸಿಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಪ್ರವಾಹ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಬೆಳೆ ನಾಶವಾಗಿದೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನೆಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಲೈಬ್ರರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಕೊಡೋಣ? ನಾವೇನು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ? ನೀವು ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ. ಪ್ರವಾಹ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅಥವಾ ಕಳ್ಳ ಬರ್ದಂಗೆ ಚಲೋ ಕಿಲಿ ಹಾಕಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರವಾಹ ಬಂದ ನೀರು ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದಂಗೆ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಈ ಶಿಕ್ಷೆ ನಮಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಇನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೊನಾಕೋ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇಟ್. ದೇ ಮೇ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಸ್ಟ್. ಅವರು ವಿರೋಧ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ದ ಕಿಂಗ್ ನೋಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಕಾಸ್ ಎ ರೈಟ್ ಕ್ರಾಂತಿ. ಊರಾಗ ದಂಗೆ, ಜನ ದಂಗೆ ಏಳಬಹುದು. ದೇಶಾದ್ಯಂತ ಮೊನಾಕೋ ದೇಶಾದ್ಯಂತ ಜನ ದಂಗೆ ಏಳಬಹುದು. ನಾವು ಯಾಕೆ ಈ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡೋಣ ಅಂತ. ಎಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಟ್ರಬಲ್ ವಾಟ್ ದ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಫೇಸಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ he is asking his ministers to find some better way to make it a bit cheaper. Yes. Look at the blackboard. Answers to the questions given earlier are written. You may look at the blackboard. Answer for the first question, France and Italy. Answer for the second question, near the borders of France and Italy, on the shore of Mediterranean Sea. Your responsibility is to remember the spellings of some difficult words. Answer for the third question, higher population. Yes. Fourth question, answer for the fourth question. What are the things that make you think that Monaco is a tiny kingdom? Lack of inhabitants, the size of the army, the landed area, all these make us think that Monaco is a tiny kingdom. Answer for the fifth question, taxes. For the sixth one, if he had not found another source of revenue, and the sheet of answers would be sent to you through online. Thank you. With this, I close my today's class. Let us meet tomorrow. Thank you. I am available tomorrow also. I shall take my class tomorrow also, but I am on leave on Wednesday and Thursday. With this, I am closing my today's class. Thank you. Please maintain distance and don't go out without wearing mask. Thank you.